In Ghana, there are some projects that make life a bit easier upon their completion. This brings about the need to know the finale date of the most important ongoing construction projects currently in the country. In this video, we take a look at some of these very important ongoing projects which are completing next year, 2023. Before getting into these projects, I would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into it. At number 1, the Eastern Regional Hospital. This ongoing hospital construction project is located in Koforidua in the eastern region of Ghana. It is a 285-bed regional hospital in its first phase and an additional 315-bed hospital in the second phase, making its entirety a 600-bed hospital. The Eastern Regional Hospital is scheduled to be completed in 2023 as part of the Agenda 111 hospital project set in motion by the government of Ghana. As seen with the immense importance of the Greater Accra Regional Hospital, which has become a primary medical facility in Ghana, the Eastern Regional Hospital aims to replicate that feat in the Eastern region and Ghana as a whole. Once completed, the new Eastern Regional Hospital will handle and help improve acute care and referral services, as well as lend support to the ever-expanding scope of primary healthcare facility. Additionally, it will support the development of mutual health insurance organizations within the region and its district. It will be fitted with the following facilities: administration, training, conference and teaching facility, outpatient department, accident and emergency services, just to name a few, making its completion very much awaited in the years to come and its importance extremely needed. At number 2, the Tema Bay Road. This project is an ongoing road construction project spanning a total of 26.6 kilometers from the Independence Arc at the Black Star Square in Accra through Osu, La Teshi to Nungwa and eventually ending up at Tema. This project is the alternative route being created to Tema aside the Tema motorway, with the aim to ease traffic congestion while also increasing productivity at the Tema Harbour, which is the country's primary port. Hence, multiple routes to the port would increase the rate at which goods are transported to and from the port. The project was initially scheduled to be completed in 2022, but due to unforeseen circumstances such as the demolition of unaccounted structures on the road sites and others, the project's progress has stalled, and now the road construction has been scheduled to be completed in 2023. The Tema Bay Road project is a grand road project in Ghana, with majority of works on the stretch from the Nungwa barrier to the railway crossing near the Tema port having been already completed. A 3-tier interchange at the Nungwa barrier is also progressing steadily, which would help ease traffic immensely in the vicinity. This alternative road project to the Tema motorway is one of the projects widely anticipated to be completed in Accra, Ghana. At number 3, the Takoradi Market Circle. Located in Sekondi Takoradi in the western region of Ghana, this project is an ongoing redevelopmental construction project of the 100-year-old Takoradi Market Circle and is scheduled to be completed in 2023. The government's decision to pull the market down and reconstruct this market was due to the weak nature. It was packed with improvised combustible materials, illegal electrical connections, and some traders flooding the space, thus making the entire central market dangerous and congested. The redevelopment is hence slated to have several benefits, such as address the underlying cause of fire outbreaks through appropriate specification, including providing fire detection and combating systems, upgrading of the drainage systems to alleviate flooding and unsanitary conditions, and also improve social facilities such as toilets, covered drainage networks, and health posts. Once completed, this project would also reduce traffic congestion in the surrounding areas of the market by providing on-site bulk breaking facilities. It would also create between 400 to 500 direct jobs and between 1,000 to 2,500 indirect jobs, reorganize all traders in the market, and formalize the informal economy of the central market, providing safety and security. With all these benefits, the traders as well as well-wishers are anticipating the completion of this project vehemently. At number 4, Obiche Bilante Interchange. This project is located between Kaneshi Circle, Abosokai and the Graphic Road in Accra in the Greater Accra region of Ghana. The Obiche Bilante Interchange is perhaps one of the biggest and most anticipated road construction projects in recent years. The Obiche Bilante Interchange is scheduled to be completed in 2023. The first phase of this project was completed in November of 2021, 5 months ahead of schedule, and it involved the construction of the second-tier interchange from the Graphic Road towards Kaneshi, east to west, which led to the second phase of the project, which is currently ongoing and was started in February of 2021. The second phase of the project is a third-tier flyover stretching from Awudome to Abosokai Central Mosque, which will ensure the smooth movement of motorists from the Nkrumah Circle towards Kolebu. Afterwards, there will be additional roadworks and other works which involves the underground storm drains from the Hyundai stretch of the interchange to Pampum near Kaneshi. This road project would ease traffic congestion immensely as it is an intersection to the most busiest parts of Accra, Ghana's capital, making its completion one of the most anticipated in the whole of the country. At number 5, the Flowerpot Flyover Project. The Flowerpot Flyover Project is located at Spintex in the Greater Accra region of Ghana. This project is an ongoing road construction project set to ease the wild traffic congestion on the Spintex stretch of road, which has become a menacing traffic experience in recent years. The project also aims at providing a direct route from Spintex to East Legon, cutting the travel distance between the two neighborhoods significantly. The Flowerpot flyover was supposed to be completed in 2018, but due to several financial constraints, it was delayed and is now scheduled to be completed in 2023. The project involves the construction of a flyover from Spintex passing over the Tema motorway to East Legon, creating a direct straight path between the two areas. Work on the Flowerpot project is going on smoothly as several structures are set in place for the flyover to be put across. This project is very important as Ghana aims to ease traffic congestion in its capital, especially the commercial areas of Accra. These are the current biggest construction projects projected to be completed in 2023 and hopefully would proceed as scheduled. If you like content like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out this video next on how well the aviation sector in Ghana is finally expanding. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.